Hello everyone, Saidu here and welcome to another CCNA Cyber Ops Lab. Now in this lab I'll be showing you how to analyze a captured traffic which is a PCAP file, and I'll also show you how to extract an executable from this file. So I'll be using my CyberOps workstation VM, and on this VM I have a directory called PCAP. So while I am on my command prompt here, I will navigate to that particular directory by changing into that directory. Say cd lab.support.file slash pcaps. After getting into this directory, I will list the content of the directory using the command ls space dash l. So, alright, this are the content of the pcap directory, but the file that I am interested on is called the nimda.download.pcap. So this is a file that we are going to analyze. Now to analyze this traffic or the pickup file, I'll use a Wireshark. Now from the command prompt, I'll enter the Wireshark -gtk followed by the name of the pickup file. Now this is the traffic displayed on the Wireshark window. Now clicking or selecting the packet in the captured and expanding the HTTP protocol will reveal the detailed information about this particular capture. Now, because the HTTP protocol runs over TCP, it is very much possible to use Wireshark's follow TCP stream feature to review the TCP transaction. Now, by selecting this captured, I'll right click on it and choose the follow TCP stream. Now, this is the result of the TCP stream on this window. So this information or this window reveals a lot of information about that particular stream or that particular capture. In here, we can see some symbols. So these symbols are actually content of the downloaded file. And it is because Wireshark doesn't know how to represent a binary file. That is why they are in that symbol. Now, alright, the next thing that I would like to show you is how to extract downloaded files from PCAPs. So this is actually possible because the capture file contains all packets related to traffic. So basically, a PCAP of a download can be used to retrieve a previously downloaded file. So right on my Wireshark window, I'll select the fourth capture, which is the get request, and then I'll go to the file. I'll choose the export object, and then I'll select the HTTP from that. So Wireshark will prompt with this window, which says that Wireshark HTTP object list. So it might take a while before it actually show you the content of this window, which is the HTTP object present in the TCP flow. So right now in this window, we can only see the w32.nimda file because this is the only file that is captured in that particular request. Now from this HTTP object list window, I'll select the file, which is the executable file, and I'll come down here and click on save as button in order to save this file. I'll save it in the analyst folder. So by clicking the save as button, so here I'll go to home and then select or click on the analyst folder. So returning to my command prompt here, I'll change into the analyst folder using the command cd home/analyst. And then by listing this folder using the ls-l command, we can see that we have this file here because that was the location we saved the file. So we can actually see this file here. Now to even confirm that this particular w32.nimda.am.exe is an executable file, I'll use the command file from the command prompt here and enter followed by the name of the particular file, which is w.nimda.am.exe. Alright guys, that is how to extract an executable from a picker file. I hope you learned something from this video and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.